ahead and get started. So this hair is from HerGivenHair, and this is the packaging. Oh, they always come through on the packaging, honey. Never fail. So inside the box, you get your unit, of course, and then you'll also get some adjustable straps with some wig clips and a hair care pamphlet that shows you how to take care of this unit. So here she is, you guys. This unit is called the Crowned in My Curls Coily unit. The texture is Coily, the length is 14 inches, and I got a cap size in small. A very kinky unit, resembles the look of natural hair, and that is why I love it. So it does have adjustable straps at the nape, of course, and then it also has a comb there. It also has 2 additional combs on the ears, so it will lay nice and flat. I also wanted to show you guys real quick the parting space that you get. So you get a ton of parting space right on the top of your head, and then you get about 1 inch on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this unit on, and I have her here, and I did co-wash her, and I'll put the products that I used down below. But I went ahead and I cut off the lace and I plopped her right on top of my head, girl. And as you can see, look how perfect, perfect this unit lays. And look at the hairline, you guys. Like, that hairline is bomb. So if you guys have been following me, then you know I love to use the Gots to Be gels. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the Gots to Be gel right along my hairline. I'm going to add it onto my baby hairs as well, because I don't like to put the unit like all the way down on my forehead. I still like my little forehead, my little 5 head to show. And it just looks weird when it's just sitting like halfway on your forehead. So I put it right on top of my edges. As you can see, I still have edges. They ain't gone nowhere. So the gel definitely does not take my edges out. But I don't wear wigs every single day. So once I let that get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay this wig. And as you can see, it kind of like melts in with my skin. That's why I love that Gots to Be, because it just secures the unit so well. And so I'm just going to use my comb to pat that down to make sure it's nice and laid. And then I'm going to take a scarf and wrap it around as well. About 10 or 15 minutes, I'll let that scarf sit there. And this is what we have. Nice and laid and flat to my head. So as you can see here, I'm just adding some water just to make sure I don't have any of those that white residue from the gel. And it looks like I don't. And I'm going to do a part down the center, but look at that part, y'all. Look at it. And as you can see, I did do my baby hairs off camera. So now I'm just going to go in with some of my foundation, and I'm going to add it to that part. I really didn't need a bunch because the part was already very nice and plucked. They really made these hairlines very, very natural, and that's what I love about it. So I'm going to be doing a twist out. So I'm going to just take sections of the hair and apply my Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. You know, that's my favorite twisting cream. I've been loving that. Well, it's actually a custard, but I've been loving that product for twist outs because it gives me such definition. So as you can see, I added water, then I added the product, and now I am twisting the hair down. And girl, look at that. It looks like these twists are going to be nice and juicy. But yeah, I'm just going to continue that same step on the remaining sections of my hair. I'm just going to twist it all up. And once it's dry, you guys, I cannot wait to show you guys when it's dry. But this is what it looks like when I'm done twisting. And then I'm going to sleep over it overnight and let it dry. This is my little baby. Isn't he so cute? He's 14. Yes, he's handsome. It's my firstborn, you guys. Say hi to the people.
Hello.
Ooh, is that voice getting deep?
I hope.
Why you hope for?
I don't know.
Oh, I missed you. You've been gone all day. You like my hair like this? He says he likes my hair like this, you guys.
You should wear it like it tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Where are we going tomorrow?
I don't know, just wear it.
Did you tell the people a little bit about you?
No, and I don't want to.
Why not?
I don't want to. And goodbye, this meeting is over.
No, don't go anywhere. No. Isn't he not my twin? Look at that face. Look at that face. Looks just like me. Smile, please, so they can see. Okay, bye.
Bye.
14-year-olds. All right, you guys, so now my hair is all dry. Look at it. It's looking good. The twists are looking nice and juicy, and I know this is going to be a bomb twist out. So I'm going to go ahead and start unraveling the hair, and as I'm unraveling, I'm also sectioning into multiple sections. And you know what? It doesn't matter how rough you handle this hair because it's going to continue to be defined. And that's what I love it. Like, I was handling this hair, just throwing it, ripping, pulling it. And it still remains so defined and it's so cute. As you can see, I'm loving it right now. But I'm just here fluffing it. And I'm going to work on the other side. But this is what it looks like once I have taken down all of my twists and separated them. I think it looks super cute. Oh my gosh, I love the definition. I love the kink that it has to it. I'm glad I didn't cut this unit because I love the shape of it naturally. So I'm going to take my pick, and you guys know the deal. I'm going to raise the roots just to give it a little bit more height and more volume. See how big I can get it, but without losing the definition. So, and you guys, this is my final look. I am totally in love with this unit. This unit would definitely be the one that I would reach for the most. I just absolutely love it. It's super soft. The hair is so soft. That co-washing really softened it up, made it more pliable. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. I totally love it. The shine, the shape, the curls, it's just bomb. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this week's episode of Wig Wednesday. I totally had a great time filming this video. I love this hair. It is everything. HerGivenHair really did that with this unit. It looks so natural. Look at the parting, just everything looks so natural. Oh, check the description box for any discount codes that there may be. And I know that HerGivenHair is having an anniversary, so I'll have all the information down below. So go down to that information box and check out that information. And let me know what you guys think about this unit. This twist out though. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.